we are probably one of those countries which is spending maximum amount of water to produce the same amount of food, as well as the efficiency of crops and of course the pest management and everything. So there is a lot of catching up of technology is required, and for that, because we are talking about artificial intelligence as a technology, so there is a lot of emphasis on how data need to be collected, data need to be refined, data need to be updated locally. We need to have some common platform, because there was a lot of discussion that there is data being collected in various different organizations, and even in public sector there's not much sharing of data, which is very much needed. We talked about a lot about agroecological zones of Pakistan using artificial intelligence, and we learned that there are some effort has been made a few years back, and of course that need to be further refined and updated. There's very much emphasis that policies need to be in line with those agroecological zones developed, because you need to give incentives, only then making these ecological zone would be helpful. So of course we talked about drone technology, which needs to be regulated. So it is very much needed, because the whole technology of artificial intelligence is based on data collected through drones, and of course the application of the outcome of the data is also using drones. So a lot of discussion on that how that technology policies can be made to regulate the drone technology. Of course, there is a lot of discussion about capacity building, and that is capacity building of the teachers, researchers, students, and of course the policymakers about this very much important area. Some practical tools need to be developed, understanding the ground realities of the farmers, in understanding the financial constraints of the farmers, and of course their limited capacity, their limited ability to adapt to the technologies. So there are startups needed. We learned about one startup which is a very wonderful success story. We learned about some apps also produced. So there is a lot more effort needed on that side. And for that purpose, of course, Higher Education Commission and other research organizations can think about developing some consortiums of researchers, like HEC already has, TDF and technology transfer projects, in which industry partner along with the academia and of course the farmer community need to be together to develop work on such research projects and develop the tools which can be utilized. There was also a recommendation of establishing some high-tech technologies, like establishment of whole genome sequencing facilities, so that we can develop better varieties with fast pace, as well as the identification and regulation of those varieties can be made possible through whole genome sequencing sector.